This is our Medicine Hats heads up class. We've had 15 cars to start with. We've had some breakdowns. So now we're into eliminations. We're going to run Class A group, which is faster. Class B group is a little slower. It's all heads up, pro free. Group the cars together according to times to try and keep everything close. And just here to have some fun.
It's been a busy day for me. I'm pretty excited to be out here. I am just doing some videos for Jason Vanbeeten to see his tire spin. This is Dennis Drummond, and I am also videoing his tire spin, trying to help get things set up with his car. I was also helping Taylor get his truck set up, so you see him too. This is Luke Munsch, and we are doing another video on him. He's a young guy. I'm helping tune his car and get him set up for the track too. I have a little secret that I'd like to let out of the bag. I heard the talk, and this is some big news for Medicine Hat Drag Racing. The plan, from what I understand, is we're going to be hosting a bigger cash event for Heads Up Racing. So that is awesome news. If you're a Heads Up racer and you want to come play for cash, just check out the Medicine Hat Drag Racing Association Facebook page and their website.
This is our winner of our heads up class. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You know, here on a track that is not prepped for radials, he's still running low fives on a slick track. Slick crap track.
That's all good. We can edit that out.
You're gonna have to edit that out.
Thanks for coming.
Congratulations and thanks for coming out.
Yeah, anytime. Thanks for putting it on.
I had the opportunity to catch up with Chris Houston and Little Merm. If you want to check out more about his car, you're going to have to check him out on Facebook. But this thing is awesome. Thanks for checking out the Heads Up Racing today. It was a fun event. Unfortunately, the B-class guys, I didn't get to get the winner, but Luke was in second place. Anyways, thanks for checking it out. Please like, share, and subscribe.